y'all, we just received the package from the TikTok shop. This is the Wise Video Doorbell Pro and Wise Charm Pro, wire free or wired. Yes, wire free or wired. Yes, get into it. Y'all, it has 1440 video resolution, two-way audio, 6 months of battery life, Wi-Fi extender, IP65 weatherproof, package person detection with cam plus and wired and screw free. It answers your door from anywhere. This is the quick start guide that is right here. As we scrolling through, it tells you what is all in here. Also, everything is done on the app with the Wise. I'll be showing you this in a few, how it is set up. Give me 1 second. Y'all, here's the Wise app right here. As you see right here, you're gonna click the Wise app. It's already installed, so I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. It says the Wise Video Doorbell. You're gonna press the video doorbell and play from right here. It is connecting. And then also, as I'm walking out and y'all see, it does have a live entrance when you're going like this. This is the Wise video doorbell, how it looks, how it's set up. And here's a close video of how I look. And you can turn it upside down, see the hallway. So yeah, pick that cart and go get you a Wise Video Doorbell Pro. Don't run. Don't walk. Go shopping right now. Go get you one. Also makes noise. Y'all hear it, right? It says here, hello, here, someone is calling. So it tells you when somebody's calling. I forgot one more thing. This is the chime right here, and it shows that it's being connected. This is the chime that is connected on it. It does come with a wire to charge the Wise Video Doorbell. You do have to take it off for it to be, so it can be charged, recharged. So yes, it charges the video doorbell. So go click that cart and go get you one. Bye.